Hey guys, Angela here. It's starting to get cold outside, and so it is officially soup season. And to start off with soup season, I'm gonna share with you guys a super easy, delicious pho recipe or beef pho. Let's get it, let's go. I'm gonna share with you guys a really simple recipe for pho. Let's go. So I am not Vietnamese. I know a lot of people who are Vietnamese. I've had a lot of Vietnamese food, and I know pho generally takes all day to make. It is a process, my friends. You gotta take the bones, you gotta wash the bones, you gotta boil the bones, you gotta re-wash the bones. It's this whole thing, which granted, if you're doing it that way, stick to it. I think it tastes absolutely delicious that way, but sometimes you don't have 8 hours in a day to make pho and you're really craving it and you want to make it yourself. Here is the secret of making super simple pho bo. This is a pho bo. This is what it looks like. It's basically like a beef powder bouillon mix to make pho. And so basically it's like a concentrated mixture of like beef flavor, and it's absolutely delicious. I'm gonna share with you guys how to turn this into a delicious bowl of pho. So this is necessary. So go ahead and buy this. I bought this at Ranch 99, but screenshot this if you can find it on Amazon. Let's get started. All right, so besides using the pho powder, we're gonna enhance it with traditional flavors. I have a cinnamon stick, some cloves, some star anise, some ginger, and an onion. And then for garnish, we got some cilantro, a lime, a jalapeno, and some green onions. We're gonna take our onion, we're gonna use half the onion. So half of it is actually gonna be part of our garnish. This half, we're going to cook. And then you're gonna have an open fire here. We're actually gonna take our ginger and we want to char it, okay? This char is what's gonna give your pho a lot of extra flavor. Of course, if you have a grill, you can use a grill. Okay, so I have my pot of water. It's about 5 cups. I'm gonna add our cinnamon stick, our cloves, and our star anise in there. That's what it looks like. We're gonna take a good tablespoon. And you know this stuff is like legit because you could feel like, it kind of feels like wet sand. And then we're gonna let it boil for about 20 minutes. I almost forgot a really important ingredient, our nok mam, or fish sauce. So we're gonna add a tablespoon of fish sauce in our pho bo. Oh my God, I can't believe I almost forgot that. It's a very important step. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Meh. That's good. All right, our soup is almost done. Final bits, I bought a couple of these huge bowls. I have my rice noodles already cooked up. I literally bought these bowls just for pho, by the way. I also have a pack of frozen briskets, originally saved from Korean barbecue, but this, guys, game changer. You don't gotta like shave your own meat or whatever. You can see they're thinly sliced already, and they're actually gonna cook when you put it in your pho. So I'm just gonna put a couple of pieces. I have my garnishes here. So I'm gonna top with some cilantro. I have some thinly sliced white onion. Because I like it spicy, some jalapenos. We like variety in this house, so we got some green onions as well. And at the end, I'm gonna sprinkle some lime juice. All right, so that's what it looks like before we add our broth. All right, our broth is done. And you can see there's no cloudiness. It's a beautiful, clear beef broth, and this entire house smells delicious. Be careful not to get any of the our anise or your cloves in there because you don't want to bite into clove. Mix it around. It is our beef pho. So let's drink some of the soup. Oh my God. I'm telling you, it is so beefy and so flavorful. Let's try it with the noodles. Cheers. Oh my God. Now, I cannot say that it's better than our pho place, because I know our pho place makes it from scratch, but guys, do not sleep on this recipe. This recipe is so solid. If you make this for your friends and family, they might think you made it from scratch. Yes! I can die happy now. I was craving this so badly, but I didn't want to leave the house. My God, this tastes so good. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you love pho just as much as me, or, well, just me. I'll catch you guys later. Let me know, comment down below, what's your favorite soup? Maybe I'll make my version of your favorite soup. Take care. Bye.